camera up. There we go. Okay. What's going on, guys? It's your boy BB Gamer here, and today I will be doing an unboxing video. Sweet. What this is I got this weird, not weird, but it's like a earmuffs. They can go Bluetooth and they have a wire. I don't think they can go Bluetooth, but so. So let's just get that. Let's just get started. Okay. Get my knife out. Bing, bing, bong, bong, bong. I can easily do this without a knife. I just feel special. Okay. Hint: I just made a mistake. Always cut away from you when you're cutting something. Okay. That is not cutting. There we go. Let's get this side. This side's easy. Easy peasy. And then okay. So see inside we already got the bubble thingies. All this. This is a lot of bubbles for just this tiny thing. So let's just throw a box down. This is what they are. Got sound Intone MS200 headsets. Gaming stereo headphones. They got a 3.5 millimeter AV jack thing. This is compatible. 3.5 is compatible with PS4. They're foldable, so yeah, they go like that. You guys can see. They work for smartphones, computers, or laptops, MP3 players, and tablets. So yeah. This is not tape. So yeah. I can just take this out easily. Let's get this thingy out. Flap out. Let's pull this up and take a look at it. Oh no, it's stuck. It's stuck on that. Okay, you go down there. There we go. It's stuck. I got the white and red ones, by the way. On Amazon, if you order them on Amazon, they come in different colors. You can get black and red, white and blue, white and red, white and purple, white and green, white and pink. So, whoa. The instruction manual thing just fell out. A warranty policy. Oh, this is just a warranty thing. So if these things break, I can just get a new one. I like this thing. See, we got a cover for the 3.5 millimeter jack. It's kind of cool. This is like my headset. They got a bungee. It's a bungee wire. Okay. So let's take this out just like a toy. Oh, this is a lot different from a toy. Oh man, these things are freezing. Oh no, you guys can barely see my face. These are cool. This is the top. It says Sound Intone MS200. Let's take this plastic off. It's like plastic tape. Put those in the box. Actually, no. Let's put that in the Amazon box. But yeah, this is what it meant by foldable. It can do that. These are cool, dude. Sweet. Okay. So we got them like that. They can extend. I just had trouble getting them off, but they can extend, see? I don't know what these wire things are. I know exactly what these are actually. That's just connecting it so the whole entire thing can hear. These feel comfortable. Like the top, you'd think it's plastic, but it's like rubberish. It hurt my hair, big boy, but yeah. These are really cool. I'm gonna see if I have a PS4 controller anywhere. hell? I will be right back. I don't really want to pause this, but I'll be right back, guys. Oh no, the door's locked. Okay guys, I'm back. Fuck that. Yeet boy. I'm sorry I didn't pause it. It's just too short of a time to get it. So this is a PS4 controller. Obviously it hasn't been used. This one's left trigger is messed up. It hasn't been used a lot. But yeah, here's the PS4. Oh my god, I should troll my brother. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. Oh, that probably just got him mad, but yeah. At the bottom of the PS4 controller, you can see the little AV jacks plug-in thing. Take this plastic piece of beautifulness off. That thing is so tiny. Okay, put it right there. And fits in perfectly. So yeah, if you're looking for a gaming headset for your PS4 or something, make sure it's a 3.5 millimeter AV jack thing. So I'm just gonna take this plastic thing off so I can show you guys how long the cord really is. Actually, it should say it right on here. Cord length 1.5 m plus 10%. What? I don't understand what that is, but it's this long. This is really actually pretty far. I'll back up. Scoot this chair. It is this long, guys. Like, this is both of my arms stretched out as far. Well, not as far, but this is both my arms stretched out really far to the point where it hurts. But yeah, so when you're gaming or something or listening to music, it's sick. You can put them around your neck, and they fit perfectly into this, just like I said. Well, I never really noticed that little picture. That sticker's messed up. But anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below. And if you're beautiful, subscribe.